What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy coming back at you with a new game. I mean, not a new game. It's an older game, but this is one of my absolute favorite games of all time. Sits there up there with Resident Evil 4 for me. I know it's a little weird to think about. It's like, how can you put that up there? You know, with some people. And to be honest, it's just one of those games that I really like. I really like this series. This series is one of my favorites. I like this one, Last Light, and the Exodus. And like, I really want. I know there's more games coming out, especially like with they had the VR version, the VR game come out, and that was really cool too. So I'm excited to introduce this game to people who don't know about it, but if they do know about it, congrats, you know good taste. Anyway, before we get into things, I just want to say if you want to help out the channel and help me out, there's a link in the description that allows you to go get some really sick merch. It feels nice, it's very comfortable, and it's very comedic, but also, you know, a determination thing, I guess I don't know how to, oh, I just took a screenshot. But essentially, it's just it's cool merch that it's just you working hard is what this brand represents, is you working hard and making it without, you know, it's just your hard work putting in the work. So go ahead, check it out, use my discount code or use my code, and yeah, we'll see you guys, you know. Ooh. I think we're just gonna do Spartan, and we're gonna do I think we're gonna do you know what, I think we're gonna just do normal. Yep, that's fine. We can overwrite the previous. Saved game.
The tunnel grew colder. Miller and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we would climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there. My long journey was nearly at the end. But would I have the courage, the will to see it through?
I don't know, do you? Do you have the will, the courage?
Artyom, when you left your home station, do you ever think we'll end up in a place like this?
No.
Not knowing whether we were about to save our world or send it
Ugh.
straight to hell.
Oh god. It's coming down.
We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface, Artyom.
Righty.
Тихо. Something's moving in the next room. Open the gate. Okay.
That's melee. There we go. I don't know why I set it to that, but I set it to that. What does that do? Oh, I hear the elevator coming.
Open the door. I'll cover it.
I'll do what I want. Leave me alone. I wanted to open this first. Can I not open the door? Oh. Alright, sorry, I'm getting used to the controls. I haven't played in quite some time. Tab. Okay. Q is health kits. F is flashlight. G is gas mask. Z is crouch, so is control. Shift is run. Weird. Okay. Alright, we gotta manually crank it.
Was breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary hand system to open the gate.
I don't know if you guys have read the books though. I think those are super fantastic and should definitely give those a read.
Check those crates
The
for ammo and med packs.
I was gonna say, God, it is so like keyboard movement. That's not what I wanted. Still not what I wanted. TIA swap filter. Light and journal, medkit, night vision, time. Is Y. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Mouse sensitivity is so high. There, that feels better. Thank you. Some bullets. Lots of bullets.
Follow me.
No, I'm not ready for that. Nice. But yeah, no, I know a lot of these books don't match the, or these games don't really go along with the books all that much. Which is understandable. It happens, you know. I don't think any of this actually matters. You just...
Up we go.
Say, has he been wearing his gas mask this entire time?
Seems like nobody's home. Before we hit the surface, put your gas mask on. Without it, you feel like a goldfish outside this door.
Almost there. This is the Falows performance hall. It's really close to it. Okay, here they come.
Boom. Oh shit, I'm in the overloading, bro. Right up the ass. Oh man, I just saw his watch and I was like, I really want one. Boom. There we go.
Let's move out.
Alright. If you say so.
And here it is. Our door.
Come in, woman. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over. We're at the tower. I repeat, we're at the tower. Did the group move out? Over. Well, that's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over.
Who lit this fire here? Where did they even come from? That section of the road was blocked. Sorry, there's just sometimes I just get so focused on playing the game. Which is understandable, you know, I'm not. What up,
Glad to see you,
friends?
Colonel.
You need to be wearing gloves.
Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it? Form a circle.
Oh. I've never heard of those things.
Stay calm. Watch your backs, boys. Okay. Looks it's gonna be tougher than the library. On my mark, shoot.
That was probably my fault. How did you not die? Reloading. Ah. Jesus. Oh no! You killed my man! I'm out of bullets. Oh, yeah, you're supposed to die, yes. Incoming. Yeah.
Life was never easy in the tunnels. But it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20 and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my...
Yeah. I was trying to think. But yeah, no, if you guys ever get a chance, it is on Audible. And the gentleman that narrates it on Audible is really good. It really kept my attention. I'm pretty bad with audiobooks. If the narrator isn't like good and doesn't keep my attention, you know, like, I mean, not saying that they're not good, and like every person's gonna be different with a narrator. It's just there's a baby ghost thing right there. Do you see that?
Artyom, you're awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on.
But the second book is from Hunter's perspective, which is cool. But yeah, no, so, you know, it's, what was I talking about? Yeah, the narrators are different, but the gentleman that did these books are one of my favorites. I really enjoy listening to him tell or read books and stuff.
Let's go, Artyom.
Just because I'm a little picky on that. What are you doing in here? You got a nice gun. Hi.
Hello, Artyom.
Yes, Nikolai?
Why are you all whining like a bunch of little babies?
Station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
What more can we do? See what
Yeah.
Hunter says.
No, let me pass. Let me pass. Good God, let me pass.
Hello, Artyom.
Hi.
Another patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
Okay.
Situation's under control.
Mommy, do we need to wait?
Let's go, Artyom.
What about Alexei? He was at the outpost.
I don't.
No visitor.
Pieter,
My brother is in the hospital.
Ah, okay.
Doctor hasn't said anything if he's alive.
What is?
Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
Okay. Hi. Do your job better. You need to get. You
People
need.
want to see their relatives.
how are the wounded?
Not much improvement. 2 died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill outright, but they damage a victim's mind. Sooner or later...
See how that guy was breathing? That was so weird. Are you dead? You're definitely dead. That's gross.
I can't reach.
What are those? Boxes of something? Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, no, I don't know. Why would the hospital be so close to a doorway?
What the hell? Who would that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate.
But yeah, the... I've been meaning to actually start a book. I just haven't had the time since I've been home. And I don't want to, just have it playing out loud while I'm hanging around with my kid, because some of the books I listen to are not appropriate for him. So I try to avoid doing so.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
Hi.
What's happening in the outside?
You got too much shit on you.
Not much.
It's uncomfortable.
Most of what I hear is about the exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels.
That is not comfortable. Why would you sit on the cinder block?
I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City.
Nice.
I thought of your wall.
Give me that.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else. What the hell? Something much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
Dark ones the main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
Shit. Just what we needed. There are wounded here just behind the wall.
Kirill, take your group to the tunnels.
Alex, we must stay here and defend the hall.
All right, our team, quickly get a weapon.
All right. I wanted the AK. You bastard.
Damn, they never come this far into this station.
It's the hospital. They smell the blood.
I smell your blood. What is he gonna pop out? Nice job, Hunter. Boom. Oh. Homo novus. Yo, what up? I'm a crackpot shot. Let's go. You guys are ugly like moles. Oh, dang. Ah. Oh.
Are you alright?
I'm good, dude.
Of course. He's a dead-eye shot, this one. No
I'm a
dark ones
cowboy.
here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run through the tunnels like rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo novus, the next step in evolution. You heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
No, we didn't.
What's
We're
happened
still
to you,
survival.
Alex? You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws. And I'll take more than a few of your Homo novus with me to hell.
All
You
right.
think you're some old movie cowboy? Have a look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. Their bodies broken, their minds gone.
The Dark Ones! They destroyed the outer guard post!
Damn. Look at that, a train. I like trains. What a weird cutscene.
The devil knows what's happening out there, beyond your perimeter. I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully, Artyom. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to police station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me, and what's stirring in the northern tunnels.
I don't like seeing his tongue
Show
wag.
this to Miller, so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Artyom. Don't let me down.
Okay. Well, what are we doing?
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminate it. Understand?
Yeah.
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards. I signed on for the ride.
Good for you. Commuting? The way that you describe.
Finally!
Ah.
Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh? Вот стоц перевертоться, бабушка здорова. Вот стоц перевертоться, кушает компот. Вот стоц перевертоться и мечтать снова. Вот стоц перевертоться.
That man is having the best time of his life. Look at that. And it got ripped. It wasn't ripped when he gave it to me. How dare he? What the heck? Alright, I guess that's all I needed. See you later, room. Hope you have a good time.
Hey, that's some nice music. Hey, where did you get that, Michael?
Oh, hey, I almost missed that.
Sorry, Artyom. This part of the station is under temporary lockdown.
Okay, bye. But I am a guard. Oh, what up?
Something else now. How about... I know. How about the house where you'd like to live with your mom and dad?
So, the two guy comes over.
What up? So many people talking all at the same time. Oh my god, is that a pig?
So I asked him, can't you like at all? And he says,
There we go. No, it's me. Penis.
Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere.
Sorry.
Didn't I ask you to stay close?
Our stations are to jointly solve issues concerning trade, communications, resources, and so on.
Not during a speech, Artyom.
Okay. I wasn't going to.
As a sign of goodwill,
Oh wow, look at that.
Good weapons make good soldiers.
Yeah. Oh god, children. Oh god, that kid's an axe murderer. Oh god, that's horrifying, man. Just watching a kid run by. Hi, friend. What do you got? I don't have anything.
It's like there's no tomorrow. And there won't be if you don't get your ass home.
I will not. Alright, there's so much going on.
Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look.
Give me your worst gun possible.
5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun.
Yeah, I can see that.
Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo too.
How about I
Here's a
just sell
universal
this?
charger to
Oh,
keep the
thank you.
battery powered. And a gas mask.
Oh.
It's done if you crossed any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface.
Yeah.
Army issue first aid kits, just in case.
Thanks.
Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
What does that mean? Interesting. I'm not the hugest fan of this gun, but it's fine. Maybe I should do a playthrough where I use only the bastard gun. Oh wait, I can replenish my ammo, I think. Right? No? Oh. So if I do this... Oh yeah, none of that goes down. Alright, cool. Why wouldn't you just let me keep it loaded? Alright, friend. Can I sell this to you? Select. 30 bucks. 25 bucks. Wait. Can I not sell you weapons yet? Yeah. No, you come over. You take a look.
You think one day we could go back up to the surface?
Maybe.
Never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
Oh, this is Dad's office. What up, Daddy-O?
Come in, son. You're ready to set off.
Yes, Daddy-O. God, your
You've
pale
probably heard that
skin
our
and
station is
your
creating an alliance with Riga. We're
hairy
sending in
hair.
a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear. That's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom,
Yes.
one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours.
Can I have your
They're
AK?
reckless, even violent by nature. There's
Yeah.
nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible.
No, I don't think I
Goodbye, my
will.
boy.
No, fuck you. Bye. Let me just pull one of your cords. But yeah, the station they're here at is technically a mushroom farm and a pig farm. In the books is what it is. Which is pretty cool, I think. Hello, piggies.
So you're ready to move out?
Yeah. No.
To the armory, on the double.
God damn it. There you go. Come on. God, you son of a bitch. There we go.
Are you ready? Well, let's go then.
I think it'd be cool to live in a train station.
You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
No.
Going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. Alrighty then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
Let's go.
good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
I don't know why that's flickering so bad. Did you see that?
Last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous.
Don't you
Even
purse
better,
your
right?
lips at me, sir.
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station.
No way.
It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be headed straight back from Riga. But Hunter was depending on me.
I don't think they did anything with the worm, but there used to be this cult, or there was a cult in the book
Where you from?
that worshipped a giant
Riga,
worm,
I'm making
and
rounds,
Artyom
buying
ended up being
merchandise.
a prisoner there
Well,
for a
bet you've
long
seen a
time,
few
digging
faces
a
then.
tunnel.
Yeah, the
Hi.
market is right next to Riga, and that's a big metro already. I used to make regular trips to Polis, but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from Hansa.
I'd love to ride that thing.
Hansa
Whoa,
connects to
I'd
the
like
whole
to
metro
ride that
and has
thing.
a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders.
Okay.
And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately. If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other.
That seems like foreshadowing. What up, friend?
Actually, I didn't even reach the station itself. I was suddenly overcome with fear.
I think it'd be cool to own like a...
Well down, guy.
Oh.
Peter, what's up?
Military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevskaya. A tunnel collapsed or other shit. You have to use a service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevskaya.
Ah, fuck. I hate this tunnel. All right, Peter. Open up the gate. No point being stuck here forever.
Yeah.
Why? Well, what's wrong with that tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through there last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all.
I know a setup they had, instead of having rooms like RTM did, they were tents. Like, they were just living in tents on the floor, pretty much.
Have a safe trip.
And
we're riding a hand car and we're armed, so I think we'll make it there okay.
yeah, I don't know, it's cool. Just seeing the differences and like knowing about it, it's pretty cool. What up, rat? But yeah, so they have like tents lined up and just, I don't know.
If you help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Oh, can I have your gun?
The men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure.
The back or the front?
That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
No, we should get out of here sooner. It's scary when they're around. And I pity them.
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them weep?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about? What the hell is going on about? Boris? Boris!
What's happening to me?
Oh.
My head!
Oh, I forgot to warn you, flashing lights.
Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated. No matter the cost. Eliminate.
Sir, you look like you're supposed to be built for holding a machine gun, but you can't even hold it. Oh, the tinnitus. No, thank you. I don't remember what the purpose of them are supposed to be, or like what they represent, but I don't remember. It's been a while since I've read the books. I can see it running. Just got a text message.
What the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Please wake up, please!
I'm gonna get shot. Oh, I have no ammo. I'm trying. Oh shit. Okay. I'm tapping E. I'm tapping E. That's how you lose a finger. What the f... Alright, come on. Hey! Old guy's still passed out to sleep. Come on, get moving. Give me your gun. I just shot the old guy. I'm out of bullets now. What do you want me to do? I'll burn him to death. This is so silly.
What the hell just happened here?
Oh, fuck. I guess. That's fine. Alright, Artyom. One of them. Yo, you guys are gonna hit me if you keep firing. Barrel.
He's alive! Come here, quick! Don't use a flamethrower! Please! Give him a chance!
There's literally a missing bullet right there. Do you see that? Boom. Missing bullet. Boom. Missing bullet. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I don't... Like, I forget how weird it is.
Was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So, before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival.
I love the music.
Didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone. But I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
A partner. Not the partner. To Artyom.
All right, boys.
Your
Let's
bandage is
train
in your
to our
head,
friend
bro.
Artyom, who goes right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom.
To
You
you.
got a big head, bro.
Hell, if not for you, Artyom, we'd have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal.
I want your
Give
gun.
us some extra ammo. Here, take them. To your health.
Artyom, to you.
I didn't want to drink, bro. Let me be free.
Artyom, you really immune to that shit?
I don't know
See
what
if
you're
that
talking
shroom vodka knocks him down, huh?
Okay, we've got to check that. To our luck. And to Artyom.
about. I see you. Don't look at me like that, motherfucker. I'm the hero this world doesn't deserve.
Ha, the vodka kicks everyone's ass, huh?
Yeah.
So tell me.
I wonder if you can actually make mushroom vodka.
We passed through some kind of
Can I have your gun?
Thanks, boy. I'm selling a lot of things because of you.
was okay.
Give me your gun. What the fuck? Oh.
You know, we made it to the road.
I got my
Bye.
rights, please. Let me out of the station. Hey, what the hell do you care if I leave on the...
Ah, small child.
I don't care, asshole.
What up?
But I got my orders.
Come, look, try and buy.
Okay, who are you? What do you do? What do you do? You're ammo, so you're the gun guy. Sell. Yes. I don't like it.
Whatever.
Oh, customize. Oh, I can trade in too? What are you trading for? You only have the two. You are the worst person on the planet. Just kidding. What is this? A new barrel suppressor sight.
As you wish.
What do you buy? You are
As you wish.
important. Other oh. Hey.
Selling, buying.
I will not deal with any of you right now. I don't want to waste my bullets. What's going on here? See, there's Jack Diddley Squat in here. Oh look, Metro 2033, the book. I need to get physical copies. What am I doing?
I bet he's not here. Who's game?
What's the bet?
Half liter.
Alright, it's a deal. Whoa, that's something. He actually hit.
Ah, anyone can be lucky. Let him hit one. Hey, what the hell? Hit again?
You know, we could be using these for drinks. But you ain't doing shit.
He's missing the next one.
I got 2 for 1 for that one. Is there any other targets?
Hey, you! Just shoot already!
What? Shoot what?
You get that moonshine ready. Just wait.
What?
Get that one!
Oh. I didn't realize this was a...
See that? He hit again!
Fuck, I
You
missed.
wasted your bullets.
This is cruel. I'll hit you with a stick.
See that? He hit again! How's the shot? Nice shot.
Oh. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Oh, you bastard. There we go.
See that? He hit again!
Woo! What does that do? Oh, I don't want to play again. I wonder if you play more. I'm just gonna let you have your rats roam around. 153, damn. Alright, what's going on?
Did you really come here? Are you Artyom?
No.
Hey, there's a man at the Black Street waiting for you. I'll guide you there for one. Okay, find him yourself then.
I will.
You are really greedy.
I am greedy. I think you're sleeping.
And you are really greedy.
I am greedy. I'm the greedster, if you know what I mean.
And you are really greedy.
I don't know what that was about. I'm gonna be honest with you. What up, dude? What's going on, my guys, my friends, my poor people, my poor brethrens? Shitter. Got some bullets. It's essentially just a blank notebook. Come back there later. There's nothing in there. What the fuck? What did that do? What's the purpose of that? Scary ass doll. More bullets. Nice. Don't understand what that did and why it did it, but it is what it is. Damn. There's a lot of bullets around here. Oh, there's a safe here. Where's the key? I know the key's here somewhere. There we are. Boom. 30. Alright, I need to go talk to the one gentleman. Is this it? Yeah, this is it.
Come here. You're Artyom, right?
I am not.
Sit down.
Come on, sit down.
Everybody calls me Bourbon. Listen.
God,
I
it's
need
so
to get
weird
to
to see
Dry
their
Station for some business,
mouth
but this
move.
rat hole is on lockdown. I, however, know a back way. A so-called cursed passage the locals are afraid to use. But I hear the shit in the tunnels doesn't work on you. So, you help me get to Dry, I'll give you my AK when we get there.
Yeah, bet.
Deal?
Deal.
Good. Here's an advance payment in case you need to gear up first. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Sitting in this crap hole is useless.
Okay. Thanks for the payment of nothing. Just kidding. I need to get one of the gas masks like theirs at some point. I think that'd be lots of fun to own. I've got a French style gas mask with the 2 circles, which I think is the original one he wears in the books, which is pretty cool too. He's having fun. Nice. Bullets. Not the one I needed though, but still bullets. Look, I can turn this off. I can't. Ah, yeah. Oh, it just went black.
As I
Oh
entered
my
the
God.
abandoned tunnel with Bourbon, I wondered if I'd been wrong to trust him. But the station gates were still sealed, and there was no telling when I'd have another chance to leave Riga.
Yeah, that's fair.
Great, we broke free. Now keep your eyes peeled. The handcar ride is over. Lots of tough guys died in these tunnels.
I'm a tough guy. You think I could not die in here? That'd be great. That's a joke. Jesus, mate, you don't need to shoot. I need to make myself a notebook like him too.
That's just a single lurker.
Anyway.
They rarely attack groups of people. But if you're alone, watch your ass.
Okay. There's an automatic save system, so we're good there. Anyways, guys, I was going to say thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. We're going to try to play through this series as well, along with some other games that we're working on. I know I take breaks in between certain games because I don't want to play the same game all the time, every day. You know what I mean? But thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful night. Stay classy. Bye.